You have solved for x and y, when x squared minus y squared is equal to 16. Now, to solve this, first of all, you put the difference of 2 square. Difference of 2 square will be your x minus y. Then you have your x plus y is equal to 16. So after that has been done, you see things you have here, we're going to look for the factors of 16. Two factors of 16 that will multiply each other to give 16. Two factors that when multiply each other, it gives 16. So we have 2 times 8. We have 8 times 2. We have 4 times 4. We have 16 times 1. And we have 1 times 16. These are the factors when multiplied to give what we are looking for. So after this, what should be the next thing? Now we are going to take these two you're seeing here to work on this, and this. First of all, let's look for the equation 1, which is the first one. Here you have your x minus y equal to 2, and you have your x plus y equal to 8. Is the first one. So we'll take for the second one. The second one, you have x minus y equal to 8. I have a x plus y equal to 2, which you've done. Then after this, so what should be the next one? The next one will be, you have, which is your equation 3. You have your x minus y equal to 4. I have your x plus y equal to 4. And we have our equation 4, which gives us x plus y equal to 16. I have x minus y equal to 1. Now let's go to the next one, which is equation 5. Equation 5, you have your x plus 1 equal to 1, x minus 6 equal to 16. See it down? So after doing this, first of all, let's look for the solution of 1. Let's look for solution of equation 1. And solution of equation 1, if you are to solve it now, it becomes, if you watch this equation 1 here, you add this together, x plus x give us 2x. And you have plus y minus y, which is 0, is out of which. So you add 2 plus 8 gives us 10. You see it down? Gives us 10. Now, when you divide both sides, you have your x is equal to 5. Now, to look for the y, say y is equal to 8 minus x. Because should be quite similar to a formula equal to 8. When plus comes inside, changes to minus x, which is this. Set it down. And when we solve it further, it becomes y is equal to 8 minus, remember your x is 5. 8 minus 5, which gives us 3. Give us 3. So here it becomes that our x is 5 and y is 3. That is equation 1. Now let's solve for the 2. If 2, you have your 2x equal to 10. Cut it. X plus x is 2x plus y minus y is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10, which gives us this 10. Now, when you do that, you say x is equal to, when this divided by this, will give us 5. See it down. So you have your y equal to 2 minus x. See it down. So you have your y is equal to 2 minus 5, which gives us minus 3. So you said our x is 5 and our y is minus 3. See it down? Minus 3. Having done this, what should be the next one we solve? Let's solve for equation 3. Equation 3, see your equation 3 here. So x plus x is 2x minus y plus y is 0. Then equal to 4 plus 4 is 8. See it down. Now you have your x is equal to, this divided by this will give us a 4. See it now. So you have your y is equal to, let's have to collect like terms. Y is equal to, we should it down, 4. Then this goes, it becomes minus x. So 4 minus x. So you have your y is equal to 4 minus your x is 4. 4, which gives us 0. So it means that our x is 4 and our y is 0. See it? So having done this, let's solve for the next one. The next one you're solving for now is the fourth one. The fourth one, in which we have your x plus y equal to 16, x minus y equal to 1, which you solve here. It becomes 2x equal to 17. See it down? Now when you divide it, so here goes s equal to 17 divided by 2, which gives us 8.5. How about 8.5? So you say our y is equal to 16 minus x. Actually, that we use this one. Y is equal to 16 minus x. So that's what we did here. Y is equal to 16 minus x. Now you said 16 minus that x is 8.5. So 8.5 now becomes 7.5. So it becomes that our x is 8.5, our y is 7.5. Then the fifth one here is which is x plus y equal to 1 equal to x minus y equal to 16. We say the fifth one we have here now will be you have your x plus x, which is a 2x. Then you have the fifth one. Then you have your equal to 1 plus 16, which is 17. Then which you divide. We divide it s, it gives you 8.5. So then now the next one you say your y, what your y is equal to 1 minus x. So it gives you 1 minus your x is 8.5. 8.5, which will give us minus 7.5 as the answer. So after this has been done, what should be the next thing? We are going to gather all the answers we've gotten. All the answers we've gotten, we're going to gather all the answers we've gotten from the first one. The first one here, this, then the fourth one, which we got this, the fourth one we got this, and this one also we've gotten here. So it's gonna be, if I have to do it now, it will be the first answer we got here. First answer we got here was we got 5,3. First answer. The second one we got was 5 minus 3. The third we got was 4,0. The next one we got is 8.5, 7.5. Then we got was 8.5, 7.5. Sorry, or answer we got. Actually, now. Then after that, there's everything they see that this being positive, but to use the negative answer we got here now to subtract all this. We'll use negative to subtract all of this because since a difference of 2 square, we have positive and negative. Now all these are positive. Now we use the negative aspect to multiply it. And we'll multiply it now. It becomes here will be minus 5 minus 3. Should it now? Here will be minus 5. Minus and minus is plus, which gives us the 3. Here is minus 4 comma, then we have 0 means nothing. Then leave nothing. Then you have your minus 8.5, minus 7.5. So you know, then you have minus 8.5. Minus and minus is plus, which gives us 7.5, which we've gotten here. Push it down. So giving us the answer, which says that giving us the answer, which says that our x squared minus y squared equal to 16. Which said our x minus y squared equal to 16. Thank you.